Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. We are coming to the lesson 3 of Pattachitra. I hope you've got a chance to see lesson 1 where we learned the borders and lesson 2 where we've done the floral motifs. Today we are going to learn the elements of bird and fishes. So these can become a very important part when we are doing a complete painting of Pattachitra. So learning each element and motif will be really helpful. Now we will be creating 3 birds and 1 fish today. Do let me know in the comment section below which of them you like the most and which is your favorite. So let us start. First we are going to draw it in pencil and then we are going to paint it and complete it. So now first we are going to create a Pattachitra style parrot. So this becomes the claws. Now here is the beak of the parrot. Now I'm just drawing all 4 of them, then we are going to color them in poster colors and we are going to do a lot of designing work on top of it. So next comes the swan. So basically in the swan the face is going to be a little eye shaped. Next we come to the peacock. So here I'm going to just make a tree branch. Okay. So this branch will shift a little below later. And here comes the beautiful tail. of the peacock. So now we are going to draw a fish. So first let us draw the body. So here we are only learning the fish to learn how the Pattachitra style designing is done. Here roughly, there is a little designing here. This is there, and roughly in the half portion we'll have a different design. Now let me take out my poster colors and let us start our painting. Now first for the parrot, I have taken out light green color. Just do a good coat of light green color. So little bit of space I have left where we will be doing the yellow color once this dries up. Now for the swan I have taken out white color. First we will do good coat of white color. This is a normal white poster color that I have taken out. Now take your yellow. Slight yellow in the upper portion, and if you want you can do slight yellow shading in the upper portion. That's it, little bit here as well. Now as the green has dried up, here just take your yellow. Any shade of yellow is okay. Here I am taking a cardamom yellow. Now we will come to the peacock. Now for peacock I have taken a cobalt blue color and we are going to do it in the body of the peacock. Now for this upper wing, I am going to be using a yellow. And for this portion, we are going to be using a green. Now for the branch, we will use brown. Now for doing the fish, again we are taking white. I'm taking a slightly pinkish shade. Okay, for doing the top body. So I've just done the lower portion more on the whitish tone and the reddish. We are going to let our colors dry up before we do the further designing. So here also, now we are going to start our designing work for the parrot. For that I have taken my Micron 0.4. Now first we are going to do an outline. Now here in the wings, first we are going to make the semicircular design. Now when we do this, we are just going to do very thin lines. Now for the feet, we will mark lines like this. Now in this part, just give very light lines. Now, now we are going to do lines here around the neck area. Just darken them. I am taking a thinner pen, same micron. Now to finish the eye, what we are going to do is take white poster color and just put it. And one small dot. So that finishes our parrot. Now we come to the swan. For the swan, first we are going to start with the head. like this, and we are going to have very thin lines. Now we come to the beak. So leave a little portion below. In the upper portion we are going to make this. Now from here, like this. Now comes the eye. Now to make the tiny lashes, you can use a thinner brush. And there is a little bit of dotting work you can do in the body of the swan. Now to finish the water here, so you can also decide to do it with the brush. I'm just doing it with my pen here. Now we will do the peacock. For the peacock, again we are going to use our pen. Now first we are going to do the crown. Now for the body of the peacock, here we will start. Like this. Here also in the lower part, in some portion, we are going to do the same pattern. Now we are going to do final detailing for this. Draw a line like this. Now this is going to be same way. Draw double line, a circle, Now let us make the eye. We are going to take a thinner micron to do the eyelashes. Finally, we come to our fourth figure, that is that of the fish. Now here there will be very thin line like this. Even these lines are going to be there here. Now here there is going to be a circle. Now all the four, that is the parrot, the swan, the peacock and the fish, are done in Pattachitra style. Do create your own, do share with us, you can tag us on our Instagram handle, and do let me know which of them you like the most. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.